Hello folks, welcome back to another practice session. It's a new year. Let's see how far we can get this time. Okay, I'm gonna start out with the 2162. That seems to give us a lot of SOR. So 615, 6 point. Gonna try to hit that 6. We're gonna go with the 3V 63. 3632. 4. Perfect throw, perfect landing. I like it when it sticks like that. That's all I want. All my rolls to be just like that. 1, 3, 4. Same thing. 4, 1, 3 again. Okay. This one's less than ideal because the dice split too far from each other when it landed, but it's still good. Same set. Three, 1, 2. Too much power there. That's why I kicked it back over through here. Every time you make the toss and it react with the table, that gives you a chance to analyze your throw and make your adjustment. Same set. Five, 2, 3. It's less than ideal. It's not great. The dice travel one high, one low, then it kicks back on each other. Sorry. There you go. Okay. That works out good. 9, 6, 3. All right. That doesn't seem like it's happening. Gotta adjust our dice a little bit. We're gonna use the 3 V's and we're gonna turn a quarter away from us. It'll be 6, 4, 2, 4. 8. Okay. 6, 2. All right. Same set. 4, 1, 3. 3, 1, 2. It's way too much power, too high on that last one. Okay. That's about 9 roll. So the 7 should pop out around here. So we gotta change set. Gonna go with the 2, 1, 6, 2. Because we rolled the 3 V's for a while already. 4, 1, 3 again. Yeah. I should hop that 4, 1, 3. Okay. Same set. 2, 1, 6, 2. Forward rotation. Offside grip. 7 out. Okay. That gives us 10 row. 7 out on the 10th row. No point made. Says 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So that does it. That works for me. I gotta shut my bed off every time I hit 9. On the 10th, I'll be out on the 7th. Okay, let's end this video and we'll restart it for another session.